In a northern suburb of Austin, this property's owners found a lot, perfect for their new sustainable home. The location presented an initial challenge because it was situated on a hillside adjacent to a ravine. However, with some careful design and planning, the homeowners were able to create their dream home. The home's two-story design uses efficient cooling strategies, including deep overhangs, a metal roof raised above the roof deck, and a staircase to maximize natural airflow and ventilation. A sloping roof allowed the architect to include high, recessed windows to provide natural daylight without overheating the residence during the hotter months. Efficient appliances and equipment include LED lighting, a variable refrigerant heat pump for heating and cooling, and a tankless gas water heater to help the homeowners save on utility bills. With the desire to safely age in place, the homeowners created an accessible bedroom and bathroom combination on the ground floor, with a wheelchair-ready bathroom that includes a roll-in shower and roll-under cabinets. The couple enjoys outdoor living with an inviting front porch and a second screened-in porch that takes advantage of the prevailing breezes, creating a pleasant space where they can relax throughout the year. The homeowners' desire to nestle into the Texas landscape and enjoy their natural surroundings on a challenging lot inspired their goal of building an environmentally responsible home using high-performance building strategies. They stepped up to the challenge, creating a practical, livable, and sustainable home by maximizing both indoor and outdoor spaces, while ensuring their access to spectacular Central Texas views. This thoughtful planning will bring them enjoyment for many years to come.